Hello everyone. Today's topic is economics. Sometimes it can be what is economics, definition of economics, and what do we mean by economics or understanding economics. Generally, economics means all activities related with money. Economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices about how to allocate resources to fulfill their needs and wants. Economics is a science which inquires into the nature and the causes of wealth of nations. Needs and wants of human being is endless or unlimited, but wealth is limited. Economics helps to allocate limited resources to mitigate endless wants. Economics is largely related with production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Here, production is related with creating different utilities. It is also related with industry of business. Distribution is related with exchanging goods and services, and consumption focus on consuming or using goods and services. In fine, economics is the branch of knowledge concerned with the production, distribution, consumption, and transfer of wealth to fulfill unlimited needs and wants by limited resources. By this way, we can conclude that economics is a social science concerned with production, distribution, consumption of goods and services for fulfilling unlimited needs and wants by limited resources. Dear viewers, there are three pictures in my slide, and first picture or top picture is related with economics and different activities which are related with economics directly or indirectly, and then second picture is related with the definition of economics, and last picture is reflecting unlimited wants and also limited resources. Thanks for watching my video.